Hey everyone. Right, today I'm going to show you how to do the quickest little beehive type hairdo that you can just put up in like a little bit of a bow, like a rockabilly kind of look. It's really quick to do. It's got no backcombing in it. You don't even have to use hairspray if you don't want to. I like doing a good old fashioned beehive with a lot of backcombing and a lot of hairspray, and it'll last you for ages. But sometimes a lot of backcombing can kind of damage your hair a little bit, and it's not the nicest thing to have to comb out. So what we're going to do is, these are my new glasses by the way, quite like them. You can just have your hair however sectioned you have. Doesn't have to have volume in it particularly either. It's literally, we're just going to whack it up as quick as we can. So you want it quite high on your head, and for this you're just going to need some bobby pins really. I'm going to take my very cold glasses off so that I can actually brush my hair. Get in whatever you want. You don't even have to have particularly long hair for this, as long as you can get it into this kind of height. Good. Doesn't have to be particularly neat at the back because we're going to cover it. You can spend a bit more time and make it a lot neater if you want to. You can use some hairspray on it if you want to get rid of the fine bits. Okay. So we've got it nice and high like this. Then all we're going to do is curl this bit back on itself. So this bit here is going to curl under like that. So this sort of a look. Don't worry about trying to keep the sides in. So you're just going to curl it under. And then take pins and pin it under like this. So you got that bit there. And then pin the sides up. Like so. I'm having a crouch so you can actually see the top of my head. So you've kind of got that beehive shape already. If you want to hairspray it to make it really flat and that sort of business, then you can do. If not, don't worry about it. Put a little clip in the back, just keep that up. This is literally just a quick, lazy way to do your hair. This is a piece of like a chiffon that I just got from a vintage fair. I've got a couple of different pieces of it, but like bandanas, anything like that. Take it around the back. Tuck in any bits you want. And then there you have it. If you want it to hold a bit better or you want it to be a bit smoother, then a bit of hairspray. And tuck these little bits in. But yeah, there you go. Really quick beehive. just for you when you can't bother doing your hair, you just want to whack it up. You haven't got time, you don't want to backcomb it. If you want to get a bit more volume at the top, you can stick a couple more pins in and just keep pushing that until it gets like bigger and bigger, and pinning it and fan it in, like fan it out a little bit, whatever you want. And that's it. Really quick video just to show you guys how to do it. So take care and speak to you soon. Bye.